Hi, I'm Shelby, this is Sarah, and this is Walter, and we are members of Strictly Vets of Memphis Corvette Club.
Forrest City, there's still time for you to participate. Get ready for the Car Show and Community Festival April 26th and 27th with Strictly Vets of Memphis. To register your vehicles or for more information, please call Shelby Slater at 248-841-7448 or Maurice at 901-413-9684. To secure your vendor spot or to have your organization participate, please call Lysandra Bean at 870-270-9245 and complete the attached form. Support our local organizations, All Veterans Empowerment Services Incorporated, St. Francis County Food Pantry, St. Francis County Museum, and the Forrest City Car Center. Strictly Corvettes of Memphis. Woo! See you there.